Attention all workers, priority shipment WC51. Keep the line moving. Move it, move it.
Now hear this. All personnel on the main floor, clear the transfer area immediately. Confirm all incoming manifests against the ledger before final storage. Attention all floor workers. Remember to log your heat numbers before transfer. Now hear this. All personnel are reminded to log their inspection data accurately before the end of the shift.
Attention all personnel, clear the bay. Lift commencing on bundle 7. Watch the swing.
Attention all workers, safety inspection on line 3 at 1400 hours.
Attention on the shop floor. Safety check on station 4 immediately.
Safety protocols are in effect.
Attention all workers. Safety inspection on line 3 tomorrow morning.
Attention all machinists. Ensure bearing races are fully seated before final inspection.
Attention all workers, safety briefing in 10 minutes.
This is a reminder that safety goggles must be worn at all times in the main bay.
Attention all workers on the main line. Remember to log your hours before the end of your shift.
Attention all workers. Remember to keep safety first when operating heavy machinery.
Roscoe, report to the supervisor's office.
Roscoe, Supervisor's Office.
Clarence, report to the foreman's office immediately. Clarence to the foreman's office.
Attention all machinists. Remember to check tolerances before stamping. Quality is our priority.
Attention! All units moving to Stage 3 require foreman approval.
The synchro hub is carefully aligned and seated onto the main shaft.
All personnel proceed to Station 4. Maintenance crew report to the main.
Foreman needed at Station 2. Repeat, foreman to Station 2.
Attention all personnel, the Hudson panels on Line 3 need immediate attention. Repeat, Line 3.
Safety reminder: keep clear of the automated sprayers. Safety reminder: ventilation fans must remain on during coating application.
Attention all personnel. Sector 7 processing is now complete. Prepare for the next
Processing cycle commencing. Ensure all belts are clear for the next intake.
Remember to wear your respirators when in the spray area.
Attention all personnel. Tank 9er is reaching capacity. Stand clear of the fueling station.
Sector Gamma, confirm synchronization readings immediately.
All clear on Station 4. We have a reading of 50 psi. Please log the results.
Attention all floor staff. Bay 3 is now clear for the next shipment.
All right, easy now. Keep pushing. She's up.
Attention all personnel. Remember to keep clear of the moving equipment. Safety is everyone's responsibility.
Attention all workers. Safety inspection on line 4 tomorrow morning. Repeat, inspection on line 4.